They are expecting a child.
I'm officially taking over the channel.
Matt's channel sucks.
No, it doesn't.
Matt wants this.
What is that?
This is like, that is a visor.
But they're not worth anything. They're like 50 bucks.
You know he wants to sell you that.
No, he does.
Ah, the field of dreams. Oh my God.
It's 9:46. Michael, let's talk more rock.
Yeah, let's talk rock. Okay, Cass, we got to clean something out a bit. So
We got 10 minutes to whip this place.
remove everything off this.
These are probably worth like $200-300 each, maybe. Like, look at coffee cups and water bottles. Where do you want to put all this stuff? Just like moving it from one surface to
Just
another.
move it from this surface to this surface.
But it doesn't.
Move this over
Well, what
here.
does it matter?
But then it's clean behind it, so it doesn't look like a fucking show.
But why? That's just a lie.
Hey, we've got all this beautiful Rousseau stuff to get organized.
You're just like propagating a lie that it's clean here.
That's right, I'm propagating a lie, just like you do, liar Matt.
I learned from Liar Mike. From the
Look at
best.
these From my cousin.
Yes, give me a bottle.
Fuck off.
Take that bottle.
Fuck off.
Put that in your pocket.
They are not meant for you.
What? Your
You do
sister
not-
gave it to you?
No, Carrie.
Oh yeah, she texted me and said I could have a bottle.
Shut it up. Oh, look at these lovely Rousseau.
Oh my God, focus.
What?
Where's the power?
Can you put your microphone on? Thank you.
Where's the power for this?
Where was the GoPro that was here?
Here, it's right here. You just focus on that
Hurry,
one.
Matt. Hurry, Matt. Matt, hurry. Okay, what is this stuff?
You're rolling. Could you put your mic on, please?
Rolling. Your butt is really swollen. Keep those puppies rolling. Run. Chevy Chase. What is Matt doing? You should be back by now.
What do you mean? I just got.
Hurry, Matt.
I walked in and walked out.
Hurry hard.
I walked in and walked out. Here, there's this. Here, you got this charger here that you can plug into.
Pick this up. Here.
1 second.
Here.
One second, let me get this plugged in here.
Here. Okay, pick this up.
Wait, hold on. Where do I grab it from?
Just anywhere, Matt. Grab it from the bowl.
Oh, that's heavy.
Oh, poor baby.
My back is
What kind of hockey player are you, you wanker?
an aged one. Oh, that's heavy. I wasn't ready for that.
6 minutes till go
If Mike would
time.
have been late for breakfast, we would have been here on time.
So can I start
Oh,
with
shit.
one?
Yeah, start yours. Yeah, start yours. Start with the madness. What's going on here? Michael.
Where are the mics, Matt?
She's live and ready to go. We're
I'm ready to go. I'm rocking. Speak to me, you toothless one. Matt's not ready to go. Here, Matt, why are you so inept? We all love Matt. The further away he is, the more we love him.
okay.
People said hi to you.
Hey guys, how's it going? Peace, love, and joy. Why are you not?
You have
up
to
and running yet?
invite. Where's your phone?
Oh, my phone is. Where is my phone?
We're 2 minutes late.
Hang on, we're 2.5 minutes late.
It's right
Matt.
here. It's right here. It's right here.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Okay,
Oh, why were you
okay.
looking for it?
This is fine. Don't worry about that. Just you stay focused on that. I'm in
Is this video big for kids?
psychopath
No,
mode. Okay, we're almost there on yours.
We're almost there, Matt. Like almost. It's so close I can almost touch it. God, is it hard to get good help, eh, Cass? Now you're spitting on my phone, Matt. I saw you just
I
spit.
spit in your general direction.
Okay.
Okay, do you see that?
Yes, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Okay, let's move this out of the way.
Okay, there we go. We are live.
What are you doing? Make some room here.
What? We don't want
It's
you
the
in
three
here.
of us.
You can't.
That's not
So
horrible.
why do we have to have 3 cameras?
Because we
going?
got Rust Bros going, my channel, and Cassidy's.
Hey,
wanted-
if
So
you
we
guys
do
want
one
to
at a
watch a
time.
really crappy channel, check out the AD.
The ADC producer.
I actually, you know what? I've watched a couple episodes on your YouTube
Yeah.
channel and they've been quite hilarious.
They
Oh,
are
was that the
funny.
ones where he takes your footage and my footage and Avery's footage and puts it on his
That's
channel?
called Dirty Work Studios. Check
Oh,
it out.
that's Matt's channel sucks. There you go. You want to reply to that, Matt?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't suck. It's fun.
Yes, my son is still married, and they are expecting a child. I might be able to take a grandkid for a ride in a muscle car, not a wheelchair. I actually bought something about 8 years ago in hopes one day I would have a grandchild, and it's been sitting upstairs gathering dust. So when the day gets closer, we'll send you guys a video of what I bought and I've been looking at for basically 8 years.
Yes.
Waiting, because I'm running out of time.
Okay, the question about the all 5 seasons. It's complicated in the United States. It is complicated internationally. In Canada, you can watch it on History Channel Canada and also through Prime and Stack TV. And then internationally in the States, so in the States it's weird. So Netflix took the first 2 seasons,
Made 3 out of it.
made 3 out of it. And then Motor Trend came on board after 2 years and got the first 4 seasons. So that's on Motor Trend in the States, and then no one in the States bought season 5. And then internationally, Netflix took 2 seasons, turned them into 3. The other seasons are on like different individual country channels. So like ProSieben in Germany, Viasat in Eastern Europe. Like it's basically check your local listings, but in most countries it is available on cable. Okay, and then the other question is, what's the update on the property?
Okay guys, latest update on the property. We've spent another multiple thousands of dollars. We have a subdivision application that was backed by the regional district 11-1 to ask the ALC to let me subdivide. Then I've got to jump through all the hoops. They're not going to let me have a business. They're not going to change the zoning, but hopefully with any luck I get to turn my shop into a house with a large attached garage, maybe keep the secondary shop as storage, and right now we just wait. So it's been 60 days and we're apparently all the paperwork's before the ALC. We await the government's decision. I mean, if they do let us subdivide, I've still got to, there's a lot of things have to be done, but at least I wouldn't have to tear down the shop, so we'll see what happens. If you like what we're doing, check out Cassidy's channel, check out Blair's channel, check out Matt's channel. You guys know what this channel is, and remember, those that have should give. Peace, love, and joy. The world's not doing well, so we should all try and make it a little bit better place. Anyway, have a great day.
I got $0, and you got 100 on yours and hers.
I made like $30.
Mike, give me fucking.
Thank you.
Give me that. That's
No,
not.
she's taking some polishing stuff.
But that was for me. $50. I'm supposed to give 20. You're supposed to give me 30.
No, Matt. Now
I
she
just got
finds
50.
stuff.
Get this on tape.
Figure it out with Cassidy.
It has nothing to do with Cassidy. It has to do with you. Okay, that was fine. It was chaos. It was right. It was all good. Okay.
From now on, 1 live stream, I think.
Dude, that was insane. Yeah, that was not thought through well.
So where's Avery?
Avery is in Moncton.
Ah, okay.
He's the other end of the country.
Yep. So is he shooting this for YouTube?
I don't know what he's shooting it for. Mo.
Shooting it for YouTube.
We don't want to keep you.
Okay,
It
well,
was very
appreciate
nice
you.
meeting you.
My
man.
pleasure, guys.
Appreciate it.
Anyway, safe trip.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So, okay, if you guys are going to Vancouver and you have time,
Yeah.
take the Fraser Canyon. Don't take the Coquihalla.
Okay.
It's
bring
an
it
hour
with me.
longer, but it's if you've never been,
It's something to see.
it's something to see. The water's starting to come off.
Nice.
5,000. I mean, the Coke is basically little
Yeah.
pine trees and everybody doing 140. You see nothing.
Yeah.
The canyon, right? Basically, when you're coming out of Kamloops, it'll say Cache Creek. Just stick to the right. At the Cache Creek, hang a left. The canyon's beautiful. And it's a nice day for it. Safe trip.
How often do you have fans coming in?
All the time. Well, now that I don't have a shop or nothing, I've got time, right?
Right.
I mean, I'm just supposed to start. I'm seeing. Well, you saw this where it was last time. I spent all day cleaning it. So now I just gotta start getting all of this shit out of here. Yeah, whatever you need, Cass.
What's the work? You don't need this.
Oh,
What are you gonna put it on? Your mom Mopar.
I'm just gonna hang it right on the wall so you can look at it every day and no, it's not yours, man. When are you gonna sell me back my 34?
Okay, Mike.
That's it.
How much? Same as you paid?
Yeah, I paid a ton for it.
No, you didn't.
What do you think I paid for that?
I think 2,400.
No,
What?
$7,500, which was
Really?
ironically what you wanted for it, and I could never sell it.
That's what you paid for it?
That's what I paid for
I
it.
ain't
My
paying
wife-
that for it.
I know. Yeah, well,
Really?
you wanted to sell it for that,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
And
yeah,
that's
well,
why
it was
we
cool.
kept it forever.
Yeah.
And then I got caught up in the bidding war.
Yes, bidding. Yes, it's
Really?
exciting.
No,
That's what you
Exciting.
paid for that?
Ask my wife. She's
I'm
so
gonna
mad
go
at
back
me.
and look. Well,
She
no
was so
shit.
mad at me.
Which car again?
The 34.
You know what I bought that for?
Yeah, like $300 or
Yeah,
something.
I traded a Power Wagon for it. But I
Yeah.
bought it for
And so then he had it at my place for years, and that's what he wanted for it, $7,500.
yeah,
He
you know,
couldn't
the
sell it.
34. Remember, I had them both up on the.
Yeah, so I had in my paperwork that
Yeah.
I was going to spend $5,000 at the most.
Yeah.
The most. And
I
got
can't
caught-
afford it that
got
price.
Sucked in like a tractor beam.
Good. I did so basically. I basically got all the money back on the Super B out of you.
There you go. See.
Karma.
And hey, but
Oh, here I have two.
That's
still
gonna be good.
bitches.
That's gonna be for the baby.
he still bitches. Tell everybody where you got that awesome super.
Yeah, I got that awesome Super B from Vance.
And
This
he's still
purple one.
bitches.
Yeah.
It's not what
Because
you,
I found out what you paid for
Right,
it, but
so
it doesn't
listen,
matter now
listen.
in karma.
listen. The prime example. Exactly where it's not what you got into it, what you get out of it.
That's right.
So I still sold it to him for $7,500.
85.
I still regret it to this day.
That's right.
Like no other. It was
Yeah.
the worst thing I ever sold because. But the straight up truth is like it was the worst thing but best thing because it went to you and you have the ability to restore it.
That's
Get
right.
deeper pockets
Even
and
after
most,
we smashed
right?
it,
So
yeah.
I'm disappointed I sold it because
Yeah.
it was one of those ones I let go because I needed to make money to
Yeah.
make my business, the gears turn, right? So I regret it. Like there's no.
But once you see it in purple with the gator top and the Hemi in it, now
I love
you really.
it that it's around and that
Yeah.
you did it and you have the money and the ability.
Well,
to
we're
do it.
working on it. It's
Yeah.
still not done yet,
No,
but it's half done.
Every time I walk in here, it brings a smile to my face.
Yes.
It's the truth. It
Yeah.
still stings, but yeah. But hey, and at the end of the day, you got a fucking good deal. I
Yes.
don't care.
Yes.
I don't care. I
Yes.
made some money, but that's business. It's
Yeah.
the price of doing business.
Well, I'm glad you paid $7,500 for that truck. It makes me feel a whole lot better.
Doesn't sting so
Yeah,
bad.
yeah. Well, we're even now.
Good. I'm now that we got that out there.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah,
Everybody knows that came from Vance.
Yes, it came from that.
And it stings every time.
Yes,
It's a good sting.
Vance wants
We
this.
don't talk
What
about
is that?
This is like
That is a visor.
but they're not worth anything. They're like $50.
No, the brackets are. This is the hard part, man. Listen to him. You tell how bad he wants it.
He's a car buyer.
No, see, it's way too small to go in anything that you have. So it goes, it's supposed to go in a
Here.
cab over.
Here.
Oh, that's
Let's
yeah,
go
looks
see
like
if
it.
it fits on the 58 Hertz.
Not even close.
It doesn't fit.
I told you, it fits on a cab over.
Oh, what if he's trying to find a car to fit it on?
It also fits on any of the 40s or 50s cars.
Well, you don't have any of those. I happen to have 100 of them.
A buddy of mine that's a trucker showed me this knot. Because the thing is, normally most people buy these straps. Okay, so here you are. You're done. You've just strapped your car down and you got 30 feet of it. Okay, so this is his solution to this. Everybody's got their own method, but I like this one because it's dummy proof. You roll it up, keep it all square, and then you take about 2 feet, put it underneath, put it through the middle, pull enough, and then you just put it back around, hang a little more. And then that's it. It just sits there.
It won't come undone.
No, it can't.
You don't need
Can't.
you don't need electric tape.
You don't
on the guy
need
there?
electric tape, and it just sits there.
Okay, so what is it called?
I don't know what it's called.
Can you call Will or just ask him what he calls it?
Well, it's not. It's just a. It's a
not
will
come
not and a Klingon.
Will not come out. Will not
I love that.
Will not
I
come
just
out.
invented the knot. It's a will not.
Because his name is Will. Your
Will.
buddy.
Will
That,
from
And
Transmit.
it will not come out.
And it will not come out.
you know he wants to sell you that.
I know he does. Nothing doesn't
He's
fit on
just,
anything.
he's just dragging it out.
Give me
Okay.
$200.
Done.
There you go. Okay.
See, I knew he wanted to sell
Right
it.
now, cash. You got to
Just-
pay me before you take it.
He just hit
Okay.
the Manx though. That's
Okay.
$200 more for
Okay.
damaging the Manx.
That is gonna look sick. Okay, no, I want it back. It fits the fire.
300.
Okay, done. Okay. I mean, there's one on the Caddy ambulance you bought too, isn't there? Yeah, so you could just use it for the brackets to fab the
I thought the
brackets.
brackets were the hardest part to find.
You can make them though. They're just two little clamps
Oh
with
yes.
screws.
Fabricating's
Yes.
These
expensive.
are aftermarket. You bought these like aftermarket.
Call
Yeah,
me.
is it a Wilton that made them? Like the name was actually on the brackets.
Where'd you get it from the auction?
No, I got it from the guy I bought the 70 Super B air grabber hood off of in Edmonton. Oh, here, check this out.
There it is.
There it is. Well, we have this, but then we have that. It's got all 4 springs. I just got to find one online and we just got to weld up the bracket, right? So basically it hangs on the 4 springs, right? And then it just bounces back and forth like a rocking horse, right? So, but anyway, some of these kids' toys can finally get played with by kids.
Here's your stuff from that you left it from Glorco.
Oh yeah. Oh, and
And
the Field of Dreams.
not dented.
Not dented, okay.
On
Put it
aluminum.
upstairs until we find a place to hang it.
Michael,
What?
I'm officially taking over the channel.
Okay, is it Mike? No! Oh my God. Oh.
How gorgeous am I? The new face of Rust Bros Restoration.
A lot better looking now than you were 30 seconds ago. Just imagine if you had my hair, eh, Matt?
And your talent and your
Yeah.
good looks.
Right?
Yes.
Just imagine if you had my hair. The doors that would open. He looks way better looking with Harry.
Lincoln, the door is open. You
There
can
you
sleep
go.
up there as much as you want.